Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to continue the exercise of the rote note taken. Come to page number 93, we will do exercise B, working with words. B, working with words. B1, look at the following words and discuss their meanings. A, raise. We raise a question, a shout, an army, the price of something, our voice when we speak loudly. The word raise can be used in all these senses. Next is read. We read a book, music, signals, someone's thoughts, a subject at college. The word read can be used in all these meanings and senses. Show. We can show someone a photograph, the way, fear, a picture in an exhibition, and courage. Show can be used in all these senses. Find. We can find something if we have lost it. The answer to something, oil or gold in a country, courage, time to do something. It can be used in all these meanings. Strike. We can strike somebody, a match. The clock strikes the hours. We can strike oil. It means to find oil. Strike can be used in these meanings. Exercise B2. Write 2 sentences for each word above, using the word in a different way each time. The first word is raise. He raised an interesting question at the meeting. Its second sentence is he never raises his voice in front of his parents. The second word is read. Do not read bad books. Its second sentence is he is able to read everyone's thoughts. Next word is show. Show me the pictures of your birthday. The next sentence of the show is he showed courage and killed the snake. The next is he showed courage and killed the snake. Next word is find. I found my lost watch from the drawer. Found is the second form of find. Find, found, found. The second sentence is my teacher helped me to find the answer of this question. To find is infinitive here. Strike. Strike the hammer on the nail carefully. The other sentence of the strike is the workers are on strike. Now again come to page number 93. Let's read about synonyms. A synonym is a word which has the same meaning as another. For example, vanish is the same as disappear. Rich is the same as wealthy. So we came to know that synonyms are the words which have same meanings. Exercise. Match the following synonyms. Here we have been given 2 columns. In column A we have mad, reply, center, top, assist. And in column B we have the words help, answer, insane, summit, middle. Now we have to match the words with column A with the words of column B with their synonyms. Mad. Mad means insane. Both have the same meanings. The next is reply. Reply means answer. The next is center. Center means middle. The next is top. Top means summit. The last one is assist. Assist means help. Here another point has been discussed. Be careful, sometimes the meaning can be the same but the idea is quite different. For example, the man followed me to town. It means just he came after him. He was following him. The man pursued me to town. Pursued, it means that he chased him. Come to page number 94. Let's move towards the next exercise. Think of a synonym for each of the words in the list below. You have to tell the synonyms of the given words. The first word is inquire. Inquire means ask. The next is seize. Seize means stop. The next is moist. Moist means damp. The next is intelligent. It means wise. The next is strong. Its meaning is powerful. Next is enormous. It means huge. The next is slim. It means thin. The last one is generous. It means kind. I hope you have understood the exercises. Now learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.